This is my second video on Riverton Resort. First video's link is given in the description. We are on our way to the restaurant inside the resort. You can see there are some cottages here close to the restaurant. This is the restaurant inside the resort. All the breakfast, lunch and dinner will be served here. Interiors inside the resort gives a close to nature feel. This is the back side of the restaurant section. And just outside there is set up for campfire with lot of chairs. Let us now check the items for dinner. Chicken fry was really tender, crispy and masala was awesome. Egg curry gravy was thick and tasty. It went along well with jeera rice. Next day morning we are on our way for boating. This dock is near the reception area. The climate is very beautiful today. On the left side you can see the hanging bridge and the two islands of the resort. Our room is situated on the right one. Here the birds have formed nests on the tree stems inside the reservoir.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ
The area you see here is the forest area. If you are lucky, you can spot deers and all near the shore. The atmosphere here with rain is mind-blowing. We are again back to the restaurant for breakfast. The bread toasts were unique and awesome. After breakfast, we have come to the activity area of the resort. You can take the life jackets kept there before going for the activity. We went for paddle boating and this video was taken from it. You can also go for kayaking or just swimming near the shore. If you found this video helpful by any means, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Also let me know your thoughts on it in the comments and do watch my other videos. Thanks a lot for the support.